Welcome back to Pooli's Features with Kevin. I'm going to be talking today about pressure. So, pressure is a very important thing when it comes to pools. What we're talking about is not the pressure that pools give you, that anxiety when it turns a different color. It's the pressure in your pipes, which is due to your pump pushing water through your filter. And there's a gauge on top of every filter that, if you look closely at it, there's a little dial that shows a PSI, pounds per square inch, on that filter medium. And that's what Pooli helps you track. So here in the equipment panel, you can, if you don't see pressure listed there, you go to Manage, Tracking Settings, and you toggle this filter pressure on. Now, you see filter pressure here. I currently have mine set at 8 PSI. Depending on your pump, it might be recording things as RPMs, so pumps are rated as RPMs, or a flow rate, gallons per minute. Most pumps are RPM. So you can record whatever your normal pressure is that you're running during the course of the day. This isn't when you're priming the pump. This isn't when you've got a secondary cleaner or booster pump going, because that adds to the pressure as well. You want to do it when this is isolated to the filter pump running in a normal mode through your pool. And you can record it for other pressures, other RPMs, and those will have separate baselines. So what Pooli helps you with is establish, one, it helps you establish a clean baseline. You can set it yourself, but it will use your lowest readings to figure out what your baseline actually is. And then there's a threshold about 20% over that baseline. That's when you need to go and clean your pump, or when you need to go clean your filter. And if your filter's damaged, or there's a problem with the cartridge, maybe it's got holes or it's janky, you would want to replace that at that point in time. So the threshold here you can set to anything, but I have it set to the gold standard, which is 20%. And then you'll be able to see here over time how your pressure relates to your baseline. And let's say you're at the end of your pool season and your pump is now reading 10 psi, right? Now your clean threshold has just been exceeded. It was 9.6 was the clean, so you're getting warned here. Watch out, things are awry in your filter situation. So you can see the filtering is recommended. Now, I had already recorded a cleaning there, but basically what you would do is you would go clean your dirty filter, and then record that maintenance. See, the last time I cleaned it was 11 minutes ago. It was the last time I tried to record this video, but I messed up. But anyway, I'm now gonna not mess up. I'm gonna say save, record a new cleaning, and we're gonna go to the pressure here, and you'll see here that other thing got added. So I did 2 cleanings back to back. It's not really realistic, but you know what I mean. It'll show you on the chart where your cleaning was. And going forward, you'll be able to then, so right after you clean your filter, you measure, of course, your pressure. That's what we're talking about today. So we go back, say, oh, it's back down at 8. Our baseline is, we're back at our baseline, where our clean threshold is not even close anymore, so we're back in the green. So that's how you would be able to use Pooli to monitor your pressure, how it relates to your cleanings, and how to get warned about a very important part of pool ownership, which is making sure you're staying on top of your filtration. Okay, that's all I have for this one. See you in the next one.